Hello everybody. In this video we'll try to talk about the formation of Vishakha nakshatra, say Jupiter nakshatra. So every Jupiter nakshatra has three padas in an Aries sign and one pada in a watery sign. If you observe the Punarvasu nakshatra, which is a Jupiter nakshatra, three padas you can find in the Gemini. It's a Aries sign. Punarvasu 1, 2, 3 padas we can find in the Aries sign Gemini, whereas the fourth pada of Punarvasu you can find in the watery sign and also the emotional sign Cancer. Right? Punarvasu 4 you can find in Cancer. And you see Vishakha nakshatra 1, 2, 3 padas in the Aries sign Libra and the fourth pada in the watery sign Scorpio. And another Jupiter nakshatra is Purva Bhadrapada. The 1, 2, 3 padas you can find in the Aries sign Aquarius, and the fourth pada you can find in the watery sign Pisces. So Vishakha nakshatra varies from 20 degrees of Libra to 3.20 degrees or 3 degree 20 minutes of Scorpio. So only Vishakha nakshatra fourth pada you can find in the Scorpio. Vishakha nakshatra 1, 2, 3 padas you can find in the sign Libra. So Vishakha basically consists of 4 stars. Every nakshatra consists of 4 stars. Every nakshatra consists of some stars, but some nakshatras they have only one star. Right? Just like Swati nakshatra has a single star. But some nakshatras they have more than 1, more than 2, more than 3 stars, you can say. Okay. So Vishakha nakshatra it consists of totally 4 stars. These 4 stars, this particular structure, it forms the left half of the hanging scale shape formed by the constellation Libra or the zodiac sign Libra, you can say. So these 4 stars are known in modern astronomy as Alpha Librae, Beta Librae, Gamma Librae and Iota Librae. Whatever may be the scientific names given here, all of these stars are part of the Libra only, right? But a part of this particular nakshatra, only a part lies in the zodiac sign Scorpio. So that's why Scorpio has got only the fourth pada of Vishakha nakshatra. So in these 4 stars also, if you observe, so Vishakha nakshatra consists of Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Iota, Librae stars. If you observe, even though it has 4 stars, the Alpha Librae, right, and Beta Librae are the brightest, and their magnitude is 2.751 and 2.75 for one star and 2.61. So it may not be very much brightest compared to the Swati nakshatra. Swati nakshatra has only one single star and its brightness, visual magnitude is 0.16. So visual magnitude is very low, then brightness is very high. But for Vishakha nakshatra, the brightness is not so very great, but brightness is not the only thing, right, to account for. So there are multiple things in a horoscope, but if you talk about the nakshatras, so having great brightness is also it has some added advantage, you can say. It has more power, right? So more power in the sense when something is very much brightest, it has a more impact on the human mind. Let us say Swati energy people, that is Swati moon people may have more Swati qualities because you compare to the other areas of the horoscope, their Swati moon, their moon can be very powerful because moon is sitting in the Swati, right? Moon is sitting in the Swati, and Swati has so much of power. Brightness is more. So here Vishakha nakshatra is its brightness is okay, it's good. But the easiest way to spot these 4 stars is to locate them below the bright star Spica. So just below Spica, so there are so many stars in the sky, but our Vedic saints observed the stars that are in the path of the moon are only going to impact the human mind, not the other stars. So you may find Spica, you may find some other name, so many stars, but the stars which are in the path of the moon, because moon continuously rotates around the earth, and the path followed by the moon is very much important, and only the stars which are in the path of the moon are going to have the impact on the human mind, and this is discovered by our Vedic saints. So that's why even though there are so many stars, we don't consider all of them. We only consider the important stars, in the sense the stars in the path followed by the moon. So there is another bright star which is Spica. So just below this particular star Spica, you can easily identify these 4 stars related to Vishakha. So these 4 stars come in the way of path of the moon. Ancient Vedic saints saw these 4 stars as forming the shape of a forked branch, F-O-R-K-E-D, right? That forked branch, and associated them with the abode of the gods under the rulership of Indra. So Vishakha is an Indra nakshatra. It's a forked branch. But see, there are so many stars, but this particular forked branch has got some importance just because it is in the path of the moon. And they named it as Vishakha. And for a very good reason, they named it as Vishakha. And we will try to know the meaning of Vishakha in our next video. Thanks for watching this video, and we will see the meaning of Vishakha in the next video.